Alright, so the next thing that I have to do is I'm gonna have to put this T on here because I want to run water off around the corner for the hot water heater, and then also have enough to go down in here and connect up to this right here. So we'll put that on, start the water heater going around there, or at least get this pipe in place. We'll go from there. Alright, so I had to get that one taken off just so that I can put a new fitting on it that'll be able to put on a threaded thing so I can run that right up to the hot water heater. I also need to go and buy another threaded outlet for this other side. Alright, so I finally got all my connectors in, so I've got the water hooked up, and now it works into the bathroom, so I've got it coming into there, and also over here to the water pipe. Let me show you that that's still working now. Dirt out of the system. Alright, now as you can see, comes around over to here, to the back side. I've got it just capped off for now, but I'm going to connect the hot water heater to it now. So that'll be the next project. Okay, so I bought this easy tankless water heater from Home Depot. Bought it from Home Depot just so it'd be easy to return if it doesn't work out right. So it should be on-demand hot water. So I should just be able to plug it up, keep the propane bottle full, keep it connected in. Then when people wash their hands in there in the bathroom, they'll have hot water. Also, I'm gonna have an outdoor shower connector kit on this so that I can eventually build an outdoor shower back here behind it. And so if anyone wants to shower up here in the mountains with some warm water, they can do that as well. So first thing I'll do is get this bracket in. They don't just have one big main bracket hole here and then some screw ends after it. So we'll find where we want center on that one, put it up, and then just put in our big bolt to support it. But that should be it. So let's get that connected. All right, got that in. I'll just put 2 bolts in this right here to keep it locked against the wall. Then we can make the connections come down, connect right into there, and the outlet connection to go into the faucet inside, and then the shower faucet right out here. Alright, so I've got the outside more or less hooked up. I've still got I need to get one more cable that will go from there and connect into that one. But I did not have the right outer diameter cable, so we won't be using that one. But on this one, so I've got the water line connected. It'll go into the bathroom and then connect to the hot water into the sink in there. I still do need to connect the propane hose from there and then get over there. The kit did not come with a propane hose, so I have to go get one. And then I can connect the shower head right off the front of that one and then connect it to the wall so that we can have a shower, wash the dog, who knows, whatever we want to do. But at least for now, we do have water going into the bathroom. We do not have hot water, but we're getting there little by little. So next weekend when I come up, I can finish this up. And I'm kind of excited about getting it all done. See me. So yeah, I'm kind of excited about getting this project all done. We're getting closer. We're getting hot water in there. I do need to put some sort of vent on the top so that it angle over and so debris and stuff isn't falling right into it. So a little simple gas vent for that. I do need to have this covered a little bit more so it doesn't get a lot of water and stuff on it, because they say it's an outdoor one, but how outdoor it is, we don't know. A lot of people on the reviews said that it got wet and stopped working, but we'll see. So I'm going to finish connecting that. I'm going to work on the inside, get the inside cables all done. That should only take a minute though, because it's pretty much just a shark bite fitting and then connecting it to the faucet thing. So, all right, that's it for today. I mean, it's been a long day. Got a little bit of a sunburn going on over on this side, that side. That's what happens when I get out in the sun for the first time in a whole year. But yeah, got it all done. Got the machines working. Can enjoy the rest of the day. So just a little bit more and we'll be finished. So I got all the water connections in now. I got these pipes. I can turn the water onto here, and then this pipe will be for the shower out. So I just put the shower head in there and I'll probably hang it on the wall on here. So now the only thing I have left to do is to attach the propane hose to it and then run it over to the propane bottle, and then it's on-demand hot water. So we'll see how it goes. I also want to do a little bit more back here. Let's see if I can show you without giving you too much of a sunburn. So I need to put a floor deck in over here. That's not a very good angle. Hold on, let me show it from over this way. Alright, so what I want to do then is I want to build a deck so it'll be all flush back here. Have some stairs that'll come up into that, and then the shower and a little bench inside there with walls surrounding it. So I just need to bury these, take my water holder thing apart, bury those into the ground over here and on that side, and then I can run planking across here and build that up. So here's kind of the look of the system. I've got the main water line coming in there, comes over here, goes up to the hot water heater, then from there it goes down. Once it heats up the hot water, and it can either come out through the shower head or else down there in the bottom goes into the bathroom for the sink. So we'll have hot water in the sink. So real excited about that and how everything's connected, and there's no more leaks. That was kind of a pain to get all the connectors I needed and to get it all connected without burning down my bathroom. So yeah, one more thing finished. Exciting for the most part. Alright, so we got all the water thing done. I just finished building this little wall around here and a little thing, what do I call that? A box, I guess, for the valve to turn the water on and off to the bathroom. And then, so as you can see, we got water. That's kind of nice. And then we also planted some lavender seeds over here. So we're gonna add a little bit of water to those, make sure that they're good, so that we can grow some lavender over here, hopefully keep some of the mosquitoes away, and maybe make it look nice as well. Some good smelling flowers for the outhouse. Alright, so that's it for the yard hydrant and the hot water heater and the water install for the bathroom. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something, and just remember, stick with it. You got this.
Subscribe and give us a like.
And leave lots of comments. Positive ones are always nice, but I'll take the negative ones too. Just if you have any questions or wonder about stuff, then I'll be happy to answer those for you. So thanks for coming along, and let's see what other projects we can get into.